What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this next company that I'm trying out. This is Onemore, and when I open it I first see the hair. But before we jump into the hair, as usual, let's see what else is inside. So this is all that I see inside. The package is a little bit stingy today. I did not receive any wig caps, just a booklet like thingy with just extra information and stuff, as you can see. Then so we're just gonna jump into the hair. There's a bit of information here on the bag, which is always super helpful, you know, just so you can see what is inside. So it's 180% in density. It's a wig, by the way, as you guys can see. 180% density, that's pretty good, and it's 24 inches long, and this is a straight wig. Feels really good, really nice and silky, and I just feel like today I feel like I'm gonna go with bone straight hair again. You know, I've been just trying to be more versatile with the different textures. You guys know that I do curly a lot and wavy hair a lot, so it's nice when I can break away for a bit and do different textures and stuff. As you can see, they put this foam on the inside, so it comes with combs. And I know some people, there's quite a bit of people that don't really like combs. Yes, you can definitely go ahead and take the combs out if you don't want the combs. You don't have to insert the combs, as long as you have your elastic bands and stuff secured. That's if you want to go ahead and wear it glueless / adhesiveless, and you just want to plop it on and go, just ensure that there's some security, that it don't slip off your head. Somebody can like just drag it off your head. You can just use your elastic bands and stuff. When I get these pre-plucked hairlines, if I want to pluck more, usually I don't trouble where it is already plucked, because it's really plucked nicely there. If I want more graduation, I'll go behind that portion where you see it gets really definite again. That's where I usually pluck more of the front area. So today's hairstyle, I really want to try out a swoop. You know, the swoop is trending and it's very 90s. It is one of those trends that just came back into style. I mean, it never really went out of style, but it just wasn't as, you know, prominent as it used to be. So that's what I want to do with this wig today. I really want to give it I want to straighten it. You know, it's already straight, but you get the gist. Like, it needs to be, you know, refreshed and stuff. So I'm going to take off a little bit more on the sides and stuff. As you can see, it came with baby hairs, but so as I said, it came pre-plucked. So what you notice is when it comes pre-plucked, there's an area that is plucked, and then there's kind of like a definite line sometimes behind that area. So I want to achieve some more graduation with that line. I don't necessarily want it to look like, oh, pluck and then, oh, it's just bam, straight line, if you understand what I mean. I hope you guys see, like right here, like it here is plucked, from here to here is plucked, but behind it it's just full. It's so full and straight. So I want to kind of pluck out some of that so it doesn't look as thick. And that's what I've been doing with a lot of my wigs, and just give it a nice graduation. So that's what I'm going to do.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
So there we go. So as you guys can see, I'm just gonna apply this. You know the drill, you know the vibes already when it comes on to applying wigs, right? Because I've been teaching you guys, right? We're quarantining and learning every single day. on my channel. That's what I'm here for. Right? Over here we gain knowledge and skill and just, you know, polish our talents. Right? Right. This hair feels so good. So good. It's very, you know, it feels very silky straight. Not all the time that's the case with virgin hair. Sometimes some have more flyaways and stuff, so you know you have to put a little extra work into it and stuff. But guys, I don't know this already. I'm just gonna go through just, you know, finessing the application and stuff, and then we get into the styling, because that's the real focus of this video.
When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Then my regular, you know, the regular routine. If you need a detailed installation video, especially like for beginners, I'll link it down below so you can go ahead and check that out for sure. And how to make a wig also for beginners. So yeah, so we're just gonna jump into the styling portion of this. The sides here don't have very deep space. It doesn't have a lot of space to like part. So I'll do my parting up here. But I kind of want to, I'm gonna have to like slant it. I'm going to just section it out. Section out the amount I'm using, because I'm gonna kind of like just swoop around everything here. So we got flyaways here. We're gonna take care of that in a bit. I'm gonna be using my got-to-be and stuff. But first I want to just, you know, you need to do this in sections.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Like there was a little bit more of a obsession with baby hairs as well. So I didn't do it like the traditional way, of course. Like, you know, it was way more like the line was like definite and stuff, but you know, I had to really accentuate the edges a little bit more today. That's how I was feeling at least. And when I get this area really laid, so I'm gonna use this strip.
I'll see the Stockholm lights.
Okay, so I'm going to just keep on sectioning because I can't really get it flat all at once, so I'll just do it in sections. I'll use my mousse and my got-to-be spray to really get the roots like flat.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
So it's looking very nice. I'm going to add a little bit of accessories to this area because you guys know that that's trending as well. I have like some silver pins here, bobby pins.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm light.
One more here, like, when I say one. And I'm really glad that I chose to do this hairstyle. I haven't done this hairstyle since like high school. Honestly, with my natural hair, that's when I used to relax my hair, obviously. So yeah, I mean, you can do this if you're a naturalist and you straighten your hair, or you know, something like that. It's a very easy hairstyle, but to just achieve the neatness and sleekness, I opted to use the product that I used, and it's just gorgeous. I'm happy that I decided to do this look today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little, you know, 90s inspired look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I'm going to drop all the specifications on this hair down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. You know, if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you know, because if you want to like go ahead and practice, not just if you want to do this hairstyle, but like if you want to just experiment in general, like it's really, really lovely. Yeah, by the way, if you guys are interested in seeing this glam, then go ahead and head on over to my Instagram. That's where you can check out this gorgeous makeup look. All right, yes, that's pretty much it for today's video. So until next time, I'm your girl Petite.